Our spreadsheet-based sales inventory operational planning tool is the ultimate solution for managing your sales and inventory operations. With its powerful and intuitive interface, you can easily take control of your sales and production planning, just like a superhero in your industry. One of the key benefits of our tool is its ability to automate complex data entry and calculations, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Our sales inventory operational planning tool offers a range of features to help you streamline your operations, including you can import your open sales orders, open inventory, open purchase orders, lead times, and bill of materials, and let our tool do the rest. Complete sales planning. With our tool, you can plan your sales with accuracy and efficiency, giving you a clear picture of your business's performance and helping you make data-driven decisions. Stock reservation against each sales order. Our tool allows you to reserve stock against each sales order, ensuring that you have the right inventory on hand to fulfill customer demand. Balance to be produced. With our tool, you can easily calculate the balance of products that need to be produced, giving you a clear picture of your production schedule. Minimum quantity can be produced based on present inventory. Our tool also helps you identify the minimum quantity can be produced on present inventory, allowing you to optimize your production schedule and avoid overproduction. Bird's eye view of inventory. Our tool provides a comprehensive view of your inventory, including how many parts required to fulfill orders, stock on hand, parts on order from vendors, and parts to be ordered from vendors, helping you make better inventory management decisions. Smart production plan. With our tool, you can create a production plan that is tailored to your customer requirements, including start and completion dates, ensuring that you meet customer expectations and avoid delays. Inventory situation of orders. Our tool gives you a clear view of the inventory situation of your orders, allowing you to quickly identify any potential issues and take action to resolve them. Advanced sorting and filtering options. Our tool offers advanced sorting and filtering options, allowing you to easily manage and analyze your data, giving you a clear picture of your business's performance. Reports. Our tool also provides detailed reports on backlog PO to be raised to vendors, day-wise, order-wise and part-wise, entire order to be placed to vendors, backlog parts waiting from vendors, entire parts waiting from vendors, backlog production plan report to rush production to fulfill customer needs, entire production plan based on order-wise to meet customer requirement, unavailability of BOM reports and lead time reports, and much more, giving you deeper insights into your business's performance.